Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt heavy, drained, anxious, or strangely uncomfortable, even when nobody said a word? And then, there are certain people whose presence feels magnetic, calm, powerful, almost unreal. That is aura energy. Most people think aura is just a spiritual trend, a fantasy, a pretty word used online. But ancient healers, mystics, monks, energy workers, and even royal civilizations protected their aura like their life depended on it. Because they knew something most people still ignore. Your aura is not imaginary. It is your energetic atmosphere. And crystals can directly influence it. Not because they are magic rocks, but because every crystal carries a stable vibration, while human emotions are unstable. Fear changes your energy, jealousy changes your energy, stress changes your energy, heartbreak changes your energy. Your aura absorbs all of it. And over time, that energy starts shaping your face, your confidence, your luck, your relationships, even the opportunities you attract. That is why some people stay exhausted no matter how much they sleep. And some people glow, even during difficult times. Today, we are going deep into the real knowledge behind crystals that shift your aura. Not surface-level Pinterest spirituality. Not fake buy this crystal and become rich overnight nonsense. Real energetic understanding. The kind ancient civilizations protected in temples. The kind energy healers rarely explain fully. And once you understand this, you will never look at crystals the same way again. First, you need to understand something important. Crystals do not create energy. They stabilize energy. That changes everything. Human emotions fluctuate constantly. One negative conversation can affect your vibration. One betrayal can weaken your aura for months. One toxic environment can completely distort your energetic field. But crystals maintain a consistent molecular structure. That stable structure creates a steady energetic frequency. And when your unstable energy stays around a stable frequency long enough, your aura slowly begins matching it. This is called energetic entrainment. The same reason music changes your mood, the same reason certain places feel peaceful, the same reason some people drain you instantly. Energy always influences energy. Now imagine carrying a crystal programmed by Earth itself for thousands, sometimes millions, of years. That is why sensitive people feel crystals immediately. Not because they are imagining things, but because energy-sensitive nervous systems respond faster to frequencies. And the more emotionally overwhelmed someone is, the more powerful the effect can feel. Because damaged auras react strongly to stabilizing energy. Black tourmaline, the aura protector. If there is one crystal almost every serious energy worker respects, it is black tourmaline. Not because it is trendy, because its effect is intense. Black tourmaline is known for grounding chaotic energy. And grounding is something modern humans desperately lack. Most people live disconnected from their body. Their mind is constantly overstimulated. Scrolling, overthinking, comparing, absorbing negativity online, living in stress responses daily. That creates energetic fragmentation. Your aura becomes weak, scattered, and vulnerable. Black tourmaline acts almost like an energetic shield. Not in a fantasy superpower way, but in a nervous system way. Many people report feeling calmer, heavier, safer, and mentally quieter around it. Because grounding energy pulls your awareness back into your body. Ancient shamans believed dark stones absorbed psychic debris. And honestly, if you spend time around manipulative people, crowded spaces, arguments, jealousy, or emotional chaos, you can feel the difference yourself. Some people even notice fewer headaches, less emotional overwhelm, and stronger emotional boundaries. Because a protected aura stops absorbing everything around it. Clear quartz, the aura amplifier. Now this crystal is different. Clear quartz does not simply protect. It amplifies. That means whatever energy exists within you becomes stronger. Which is why spiritually aware people are careful with it. If your intentions are clear, your emotions balanced, your mind focused. Clear quartz can make your aura feel brighter, sharper, more magnetic. But if someone is emotionally chaotic, obsessive, or constantly negative, amplification can intensify that too. This is why ancient healers often cleanse themselves before working with quartz. Because quartz magnifies energetic patterns. Scientifically, quartz is fascinating. It is used in watches, technology, radios, and electronic systems because of its stable vibrational properties. Think about that carefully. Modern technology already uses crystal frequency. Yet people laugh at spiritual energy work. Interesting, right? Many energy practitioners meditate with clear quartz over the crown chakra because they believe it increases energetic clarity. And honestly, people often describe an almost electric feeling while using it. Sharper intuition, stronger visualization, more vivid dreams, heightened emotional awareness. Because your aura becomes energetically louder. Rose quartz, the aura softener. This crystal is deeply misunderstood. Most people think rose quartz is only about romantic love. No. Rose quartz works deeper than attraction. It softens emotional armor. And emotional armor changes your aura dramatically. People who have been betrayed, rejected, abandoned, humiliated, or emotionally neglected often develop energetic hardness. Even if they smile, even if they appear strong, their aura becomes defensive, closed, sharp. Rose quartz slowly dissolves that tension. Not instantly, not magically, but gently. That is why many people cry unexpectedly while meditating with it. Because suppressed emotions begin surfacing. An aura holding years of pain cannot glow naturally. Pain compresses energy. Rose quartz expands it again. And strangely enough, when someone heals emotionally, people start treating them differently. Their face softens, their eyes brighten, their energy becomes approachable. Because people respond to aura before words. Always. Amethyst, the aura cleanser. Amethyst is often associated with spirituality, intuition, dreams, and psychic awareness. But what makes amethyst powerful is its calming effect on mental noise. Most humans are mentally exhausted. Constant stimulation destroys energetic clarity. Your aura becomes cluttered with unfinished thoughts, anxiety loops, emotional residue, fears, imagined scenarios, and overstimulation. Amethyst slows that storm down. That is why many people place it near their bed. Some claim their sleep becomes deeper, their dreams more vivid, their anxiety quieter. And spiritually, amethyst has long been connected to higher consciousness. Ancient civilizations believed purple stones connected humans to divine intelligence. Even royalty wore amethyst because purple symbolized spiritual authority and energetic power. But here is something people rarely discuss. A calm mind naturally strengthens the aura. Because chaotic thoughts leak energy constantly. Mental peace is energetic protection. That is real aura work. Citrine, the aura brightener. You can often feel citrine before even touching it. Its energy feels lighter, warmer, more alive. Citrine is associated with confidence, abundance, personal power, creativity, and manifestation. But the deeper reason matters. Fear weakens the solar plexus energy center. And the solar plexus heavily influences personal aura projection. People with damaged confidence often unconsciously shrink their energy. They avoid visibility, they dim themselves, they suppress expression. Citrine helps activate expansion energy. Not ego. Expansion. Many people report feeling more motivated, expressive, courageous, and optimistic around it. And whether people admit it or not, confidence changes aura dramatically. Confident energy becomes noticeable before someone even speaks. That is why some individuals naturally command attention without trying. Aura projection. And according to ancient traditions, yellow golden crystals were often linked to life force energy itself. Not fake positivity. Vitality. There is a difference.